So block is sliding down. So that means, and they're saying the no friction, and only gravitational force is acting. Gravitational force is what type of force? Conservative force. Conservative force, can you apply the law of conservation of energy? Yes, we can apply the law of conservation of energy. We can apply. Okay, now, so what we are doing here, so since only conservative forces are there, we are applying the simply law of conservation of energy. We are applying here. So now we are calling, let us say, initially block is here, this point is given A, and the block reaches to the point B. Let us consider here this point. Finally, block reaches to here. I am calling this is the point B. Now you tell me now, at A and B, we are applying the law of conservation of energy. So tell me now, A is the initial point, B is the final point. So what we can say now here, UA plus KA. Okay, which is equal to what? Tell me now, UB plus KB. Okay, A is the initial point, B is the final point here. So UA. So initially block is at this location. Now I'm taking the reference, this line ground we have taken as a reference here. This is common for both A and B case now. That's why we have taken ground as a reference line. Now you tell me from the reference how much the height is there? 1 meter. It has a potential energy now. Yes, how much the potential energy? Tell me now. mgh. It is above, that's why positive. mgh, h value is 1 and kinetic energy. Initially is a body is at rest na. At point A, that is at rest. So then velocity 0 means kinetic energy 0. Now when it is reaches to point B, tell me. Yes, so that is mg, it is above only now, so that is 1/2 height. And it has some velocity maybe now, that is what? Tell me now, of m. Yes, that is vb square. Vb is the velocity at the point B. That we need to find out. Here, tell me now from this. So will come it as, if I bring to this side, so will come mg/2 na. So which is equal to 1/2 m into vb square. So 1/2 m will get cancelled. So vb will come to be what? Tell me now, root g na. That means how much this velocity, you tell me now? 10 g value. So this is the velocity. Yes, this is the velocity when the body is at point B. Now that is a velocity we have calculated. That is the first bit we did. What is the second bit they are asking? The distance from at what distance from B it strikes. So thereafter there is no track here. So then this block will fall down like this now. Yes, now here. So then this distance they are asking. Right. So this is now here a block is throwing horizontally from some height. Now it is behave like what? Tell me. Horizontal projectile. Yes. Horizontal projectile from here to here. This is called as a range. Remember? So that range they are asking to find here. Yes. What is the range formula here? That is U into T. UV is the initial velocity, T is the time taken to reach the body from here to here. And so what is that range? T value, which is equal to U into square root of 2h by g. Remember this formula? So h value here is 1/2. So that is R value come to be a, yes, that is root 10 into square root of 2 into h value 1/2, g value 10. So it will come to be how much now? 1 meter.